We are here at our Design Downtown Denton Visioning Workshop. We have compiled all of our public engagement from the last couple of months, and we are putting it on display for the community to give their feedback on it and really engage in terms of the community priorities, mobility ideas that we've started to come up with, some park ideas and some amenity ideas, and use that to eventually formulate kind of our priorities and our different policies and action plans moving forward.
I'm excited for a lot of the mobility and transit projects they're looking into to better our walking, our biking, alternative mobility. Denton's going to continue to grow, and so I'd love to see some of those things elevate with that as well.
Yeah, I think the event was well put on. They had a variety of ways that we could interact. So not only was it informative verbally, the City of Denton here was taking opportunities for us to map things out physically. You can only do so much from a survey or just getting data online and not really knowing where it's coming from or context. So I think having the conversations in person makes a big difference. I think the way they were getting data from residents and locals and real estate and business owners they did a very good job.
This plan is for the community. It is being built by the community. We will have additional engagement opportunities, so you can continue to check out that engagement website via discussdenton.com, and let's get this process rolling.